iDefine allows us to auto-generate test specification documents. In this video, we will see how to generate a document for the test results of the test case shown here. First, generate and save the test results. In the Test Case section, select Feature Explorer. This opens the Feature Explorer. First step is to add a section title and its description. In the Feature Explorer, create a record to add title and description. Give a title and a description. The next step is to add the step name and description for the test results. In the Feature Explorer, create all the records in the step sections. Add all the step names with their descriptions. The next step is to add test results to each step. In the Feature Explorer, create new records in the Test section. Assign test cases and test nodes to each of the defined steps. You can also add acceptances and cross-references if required. Save the Feature Explorer after defining it. In the Document section, create a new document and name it. In the Templates area of the Document section, select the Cause and Effect module and add it to the heading. Similarly, add the Test feature module to the title and save it. Now to create an instance of the document. Right-click on the document thumbnail and select Instantiate. This creates the instance. In the Instance tab, select the cause and effect and the test feature you want to document. Open the created instance and save it. Now select the Generate Document option. Save it in your local folder and open the generated document.